Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker JBL Grip on your Android device. So usually when the speaker connected with the phone, we can check the battery level using control panel. And now, as you can see, nothing. I can also tap at this the Bluetooth button, but as you can see, we haven't battery level. Also, we can check it if we go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here we can check it. And again, nothing. Also, we can click at the information icon or settings icon near to the speaker, and again, nothing. So, the only way is to use an application. We need to install and set up JBL Portable app and of course add your speaker to the app. If you don't know how to do this, you can check the video at this channel. We have it, how to install and set up the app or how to add the speaker to the app. You need to open it. You will see your speaker as a device list. Just give this second to this application. Or it open already speaker menu for us. Or maybe you are in the main menu, so just tap at your speaker. And right here we have battery level. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.